Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we'll show you how to make a quick and scrumptious garlic bread. You'll need 3 basic ingredients: garlic, duh, of course, butter, and bread. For the bread, you can use a sliced French baguette, a bread roll, toast squares, whatever you like. You can get creative with it as long as it's bread and you want garlic on it and butter. It'll be good. However, we recommend using Vienna bread or pain viennois. I don't know if I said that right, because they have a softer crust and will not rip up the roof of your mouth into a million shreds. So let's get started. Mash and pummel your garlic until it reaches this beautiful consistency. Using the microwave on a very low heat and a longer timing, turn your blocks of butter into liquid. And then you mix the garlic with the butter. Here you have the option to add in some finely chopped Charlie. Finely chopped parsley. Yes, that's it. And please do not forget to put salt in the butter mixture. Spread this beautiful garlicky paste on both sides of the bread, and then on a preheated pan, start to cook them, giving them about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. It really depends on the type of bread and the thickness of your cut and how crispy you want it as well. So you have to give it a try and see for yourself. After you're done and you put them on a plate, you can choose to put some Parmesan shreds and shavings on while they're still hot. But I personally think they didn't need the cheese because they already have a strong and rich taste. So have a great day. Bye.